Good day, everybody. On this lecture, we are going to be talking about time frame and how we can use that time frame to be profitable in the binary market. Now, I'll go to my quotes, then I'm going to click on probably crash 500. I'm going to click on crash 500, then I'm going to click on charts. When I click on crash 500, I'm going to click on charts to check the chart of crash 500. Once I click on charts, then I'm going to find out that on this crash 500, if you tap your screen, you will see this pop out will come out. Okay, all these places you're seeing, this one, this M1, M5, M15, M30, H4, H1, J1, they are all called time frame. Like the M1 is 1 minute. It means 1 minute time frame. M1 means 1 minute. Now that M1, if I click on it, you'll see that the chart has changed. It simply means that for every 1 minute, new candlestick will be forming. These are called candlestick. This thing you're seeing, they are called candlestick. This including this long one, they are all called Japanese candlestick. So every 1 minute, a new candlestick will be forming. Every 1 minute, a new candlestick will be forming. Now you see, check my time. Just be looking at my time. Look at my time at the top of my screen. My time is 11:35. Okay. Once the time clock 11:36, a new candle will form. Just be observing it. Just be observing it. We're 11:35. Okay. We are getting close to another minute. A new candle will form in every minute. Every minute, a new candle forms. Every minute, a new candle forms. Oh, my network. I'm going to do this. I'm going to open the cash 500 again. Sorry. Okay, we are still on it. Are you seeing it? It's 11:36. A new candle has formed. Are you seeing it? My network made the chart to hook, so there was no network, a strong network then. So I just open it now. So for every 1 minute, a new candlestick will form to form a chart. So if I go to M5, for every 5 minutes, a new candle will form. A new candle will form. Are you seeing it? Now this is 36. So now a new candle just formed and it's reading now. Once it gets to 40, a new candle will form, because every 5 minutes added to normal time, new candle will be forming. That is how the time frame works. So if I go to H1, for every 1 hour, new candle will be forming. If I go to M30, for every 30 minutes, new candle will be forming. But if you check, they are all on different. They shows different charts. But observe something. Now, look at the market price. Observe something. Look at the current market price. Are you see the current market price? 999.5 something. You know. Now I want to go to, this is 30, M30. If I go to H4, this is H4, right? You see 4 hours candle. For every 4 hours, new candle will be forming. Are you seeing that it's the same? Are you seeing that it's the same market price? You know the market price changes by seconds, but we are still on that 999. The thing just changed to 1,000 now. 10,000 actually, 10,000 plus. If I go to M5 now, are you seeing that we are still on that 10,000 plus? So now the prices does not change. Okay, what changes is the chart. So all the time frame, they are all the same, but you can use the chart to the different time frame to analyze the markets. Okay, so now what is the strategy behind the time frame? Now what are the strategy behind the time frame? Now if I want to trade, I'll go to my M1. If I go to my M1, I'll check for trends. What is my M1 doing? I'll look for the trend on my M1. It's a downward trend. Okay, as you can see, we are in a downward trend. That is why the market is coming down. Look at it, we are in a downward trend. It's coming down now. So if I go to my M1 and I saw that the market is selling, I'll now go to my maybe 5 minutes chart. I see my 5 minutes. My 5 minutes now will sell more than that H1 or the higher time frame, because the higher time frame give you an insight of where the smaller time frame will go, the direction. So if H1 now, which is 1 hour, is selling, that means 5 minutes now will be selling massively. That is what is happening here. So you can use this 5 minutes to place your trade. You can say, okay, now the market is selling, probably the market will sell to a certain point, then you just place your trade here. Okay, so the time frame is just awesome. You use it for analysis purpose. Okay, so I will create another video on how to use this time frame to make money or to analyze out the direction of the market. So thank you very much for watching this short video.